Welcome to Cardan IT Services Guide to Keyboard Shortcuts. 10 keyboard shortcuts that will change how you work. Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you 10 keyboard shortcuts that will help you work smarter on any Windows PC. These shortcuts can save time, increase productivity, and help you stay focused. Let's take a look at the essential ones you should be using daily. Some of these might be familiar, but there are likely one or two here that even experienced Windows users are not aware of. Some of the initial ones are easy, but stay tuned for some time-saving tricks. Control-C, Control-V, copy and paste. Let's start with the basics. You can press Control and C together to copy something, and then press Control and V together to paste it. You probably already use these every day to move text, files, and more. Windows D, Show Desktop. Want to get to your desktop fast? Pressing the Windows and D keys together hides everything instantly and toggles back just as easily. The Windows key is the one with the Windows logo on it. Windows E, Open File Explorer. Need to open your files fast? Pressing the Windows and E keys together opens your File Explorer instantly, from anywhere. Alt F4, close the current application. Done with a program? Press the Alt and F4 keys together to close it quickly. Be careful though, make sure you have saved your work. And if you use this shortcut with no programs open, you can use it to shut down or restart your machine. Control, Shift, Escape. Open Task Manager. If an app freezes or you want to see what's slowing things down, press the Control, Shift and Escape keys together to open Task Manager. From there, you can see the CPU usage of each application and force quit an application if it is frozen. Windows left, right, up or down. Snap Windows. You can press Windows and one of the directional keys to snap your current app to the left, right, top or bottom of the screen. If you have multiple apps open, you will have the option to snap one of your other apps to the other side of the screen. Windows tab, Open Task View. Need to quickly see everything you've got open? Pressing the Windows and Tab keys together brings up Task View. You can see all your open applications at a glance. Windows L, Lock your computer. If you're stepping away from your desk for a few minutes, pressing the Windows and L keys together locks your device instantly. You will need to enter your password or PIN number to unlock it. Windows Control D, create a new desktop. Here's a big one not many people know about. You can actually create multiple desktops on your computer. It's like having multiple computers in one, perfect for separating work and personal tasks, or for users who are working on multiple tasks at once. Just press the Windows, Control, and D keys together to create a new desktop. You can then use the Task View shortcut that we demonstrated earlier to easily switch between your multiple desktops. Windows S, search your PC or the web. To search, press the Windows and S keys together and start typing. If your search matches a file or app on your PC, you can select it. If there is no match, then Windows will search for your query online using Bing Search. You can start using these shortcuts today. You'll be surprised how much time you can save. All those seconds saved will add up over time and lead to some serious time saving. Want more productivity boosting tech tips? Speak to Cardan IT Services for staff training, automation, and smarter IT support.